Welcome back to our channel. Welcome back. Welcome back. My name is Malcolm. I'm one of the SEO specialists here at ProLemon. In this quick video, as you can see right in front of you, titled Why Choose SEO Over Any Other Digital Marketing Strategy? Well, the question should be why choose other digital marketing agency over SEO? Because SEO gives so much great results, and that's exactly what we'll be covering in this video. Awesome. So let's begin at what is SEO. So SEO stands for search engine optimization, which is practically optimizing different aspects of your website, such as your text, images, structure, usability, and other factors to help it be more, open air quotes, better for search engines, which is Google, Bing, and so on, to be found more easily and crawlable so that you can rank high on these search engines for specific keywords. Awesome. So just to cover digital marketing. So digital marketing covers a lot of things such as social media marketing, Facebook ads, PPC, um, and so many others, LinkedIn and so many others. But today we're going to be focusing on search engine optimization and why it stands out among the different parts of digital marketing. P.S. SEO is part of digital marketing. So the first thing is that search engine optimization is cost effective. All right, if you're looking for a real plan for your business, whether you're a startup or you're established, SEO is the way because it's not like PPC where they charge you every time you get a click or you get impressions, but SEO is a continuous thing. If you optimize once, you always be getting great traffic from that without spending a dime. So it's practically free. And these results are just not short-term results; they are long-term results. While paid advertising stops the moment you stop paying or stop the campaign, a well optimized website can help you rank number one for years, well, for months if you keep on optimizing it. All right, the next thing is search engine optimization boosts credibility and trust. So people trust organic search results. Higher ranking website is often perceived as more credible and trustworthy. So users are more prone or likely to click on the organic search than a paid ad because this contributes in strong, reliable brand image. So definitely you would want your brand ranking number one as well. So if you're a business owner, definitely visit prolemon.com. We help business on a daily to do that. If it's the first time, please like, subscribe in this channel and tell us what would you enjoy next. So going back to the video. So another thing that SEO does is it has a specific target audience that you can target. So SEO helps you reach the right audience at the right time. When you optimize your content for specific keywords, you attract users actively searching for information related to your products or services. So this would definitely help with your business. So it is also adaptable in the sense that search engines constantly is evolving. There's always an update. We'll tell you this now. Unlike other digital marketing channels, they may have outdated or less effective as SEO. So definitely SEO is always changing with algorithms. So definitely something that you want to consider. Okay, so the next part is adaptability. So SEO helps you with adaptability in the sense that it's always constantly evolving, as we mentioned. So you can always adapt with it and help, use that as an opportunity to rank high on Google results. Awesome. So another thing that you can do is always have good results to measure. So SEO provides measurable results through analytics tools. There are millions of tools out there just to track even when your title tags goes down. So you can track your website's performance, monitor keyword rankings, gain insight into user behavior, what they click on, what they don't click on, and so on. So those are just a couple of tips and tricks you want to keep in mind. Until the next video, ciao.